Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix a network error occurred and the error code is 0x00010004 Steam authorization failed error in the game Gray Zone Warfare. Then here follow the fixes. Now before performing any of the fixes, first check the server status of Gray Zone Warfare game. You can check the server status from the following sources. It is the X website, formerly known as Twitter, or from the Reddit website. You will find the Gray Zone Warfare subreddit. In that you can find the server status. And if you find that the server status is offline, under maintenance, or having any outage, then you can't do anything to fix this problem. You have to just wait for the server status to get back online, and then you can check back later. In the meantime, you can try these fixes. Fix 1 is to turn off IPv6 and restart your PC. So in Windows search, type control panel and open it. Then under network and internet, click on view network status and tasks. Then click on your connected Wi-Fi or network connections and then click on properties. And here if you find that internet protocol version 6 TCP/IPv6 is ticked marked, if it is ticked marked, then untick it, then click on OK to save changes. And then just restart your PC once. Don't forget to restart your PC. And once your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the Gray Zone Warfare game and check if your problem is solved or not. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Fix 2 is to clear download cache and verify the game files. So open Steam, click on this word Steam and then click on settings. Go to the download tabs, scroll down, and next to clear download cache, click on clear cache. And then again click on confirm. This will restart the Steam and you have to log into your Steam again. So if you agree, then tap on confirm and then verify the game files of the Gray Zone Warfare. So go to library, right click on Gray Zone Warfare game. This is just an example I am showing with another game, but you have to right click on Gray Zone Warfare game and then select properties. Then go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. And fix 3 is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So if none of the solutions work for you, then the last solution is to simply uninstall the Gray Zone Warfare game from your PC, then reinstall the game and then check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve network error occurred, error code 0x00010004 in Gray Zone Warfare, or Steam authorization failed error in the Gray Zone Warfare game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.